Now, in case if you are a complete beginner, I think it would be great if you know the basic requirements before writing PHP code. And there is no rocket science about the requirements. You don't have to go to Mars. Requirements are very simple and easy. So for writing PHP, we need first one server. And the server which I'm gonna use will be Apache server. Actually, the server is a place where we are going to look for the output of our PHP code. As we are going to install it and work on it locally, we are not going to use some online server. So we will install the server, Apache server, locally on our computer, and you can browse your PHP files through your web browsers like Firefox and Chrome. Then after installing web server, we need to install the PHP. And as we are going to use the XAMPP server where we will have the Apache server, so our PHP will be installed on the XAMPP server as well. The at least requirement in this course will be installing the PHP version of 5.6. As for now, the PHP 7.1 version is out. You can use the latest version, but we will be using the PHP version 5.6 at least. Thereafter, we need a database, and the database we are going to use will be MySQL, and the database will be come with our XAMPP server. So by using database, we can easily create, read, update and delete things in and out by using PHP. Then after installing database, we need some text editor by which we can write the PHP code. I'm gonna use Notepad++ or Komodo IDE 8 or higher. You can use any of the editor which you want. And for seeing the output of our PHP code, we need web browser like Firefox, Chrome or Safari like that. Now the first 3 points, web server, PHP and database, we can grab this whole package in one unit by installing the XAMPP server. You can use WAMP server, LAMP server, but XAMPP server is very easy to use, and it also offers you PHPMyAdmin where you can easily manage your database, and it's also supported with all the operating system. You can use it on Windows, Macintosh and Linux as well. And on top of everything, it's very easy to use, and I'm gonna show you how you can install and configure XAMPP server in our next lecture. Now you know the basic requirements in this course. Now in the next lecture, we are going to install our XAMPP server to fill out our 3 requirements of web server, PHP and database. Then we will install our editor as well. So see you in the next lecture. If you need any assistance while installing PHP, you can simply visit PHP website php.net/manual. You can choose English version, install.php, and you can see your system specification, and if there any kind of problem, you can solve it on a fly.